Fatty Rick, fat.
To me. You know what I'm doing? Like, imagine crying in a virtual game couldn't be me.
I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you.
No!
Yup, I'm gonna kill you. Yeah, I just killed him. That's what he gets.
What? Why you kill him? He's dead! Why you kill him? Why you kill him?
Bro, what do you mean? It's not that serious.
Why you do that?
Bro, it's just a game. Feedback.
Yo, if you want to put a bounce on someone, go to
Stop!
Okay, friends. Shake my hand.
Okay, but don't kill me.
If you want to put a bounce on someone, go to stage 4. If you want to put a bounty on someone, if you want to put a bounty on someone, go to stage 4.
Stop!
Here, no, I'm sorry. I'll give you my grappler. I feel bad. I'll give you my grappler. Okay. Here.
Give
drop
me.
it so no one gets stuck. Okay? Wait. Put your hand on it. Put your hand on it. What did I do?
You're getting reported for gorilla time.
What did I do? Report him.
Yo, does anybody here want to trade for this?
Blue, I don't care about your grappler. I'm just gonna give you 2 grapplers. I'm just gonna give you fucking 2 grapplers, bitch. No, I'm not giving you.
Wait, can you say that again?
Are you the raccoon from Goa Garden?
Huh?
Are you the raccoon from Goa Garden?
What are you saying?
Are you the raccoon
I got my first ammo.
from Goa Garden?
I got my first.
What?
Are you the raccoon from Goa Garden?
What?
Are you the raccoon from Goa Garden?
I can't hear you.
Are you
Why is there
the
ammo?
raccoon from Goa Garden?
Yeah. Wait, what?
Okay.
Wait, what'd you say?
Are you the raccoon from Goa Garden?
The guy.
The tiny backpack pack? You want the tiny backpack?
I do a No! Let me out! Let me out! Let me out! Let me out!
One more time. We'll get
Let me out!
Alright, fine.
Oh my!
Dumb idiot fell for his swipes. Keep screaming.
That's
at me
I'm
out.
playing a different game.
Alright, fine.
Do it! I do it! I do it! Do it! I do it! I do it! I wanna do Stranger Things! Yeah! We wanna do... Yeah!
No cap.
Stop! Please, revive me! Please, I'm pissed off! Please! Please, stop! Please, stop! Please! Stop! Just revive me! Please! Oh, I'm shooting angry!
Hey, give me it back! Give it. No! You know what? Oh! What did you say?
You're messing with the wrong dog, dude. I'm gonna shoot you.
Guys, we made Squid Game. Are you ready?
Yeah! Cheat, you go first.
Yeah, you keep
Oh, I bet! Bro, this is gonna be so freaking easy. I'm so good at this game. Whoa!
I don't think he's that good. Alright, Scorpio X.
Scorby, you're next. I feel a wave of excitement. Whoa!
Sing English, buddy.
No! Yo!
Crap. Oh, cheapest spirits, sir. Alright, Kane, you're up.
Oh god.
Just jump.
The pods are released. They have no mercy.
Wait, what do you mean the pugs are released? Yo. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go!
Revive me!
Hell nah!
Money dog!
Oh yeah, Jacob.
Yeah, damn, yeah,
Oh my. Oh my. Oh my.
Just jump down. It's not scary.
Okay, here, jump down after me.
Alright.
Holy! Oh, I did it. Where's he?
Me when I don't see you, ow! Me when I see you, I'm gonna come.
We're gonna trade. Drop it in 3, 2, 1.
Scary get scammed! Scary get scammed! Scary get... What the heck? What is this place? What I remember you. What? Ah! What? Please. It's... Please! No, I didn't do anything! Okay. I didn't do anything! Go you first! Please!
3, 2, 1.
Ouch! Ouch!
I hit my head.
Leave me alone!
Let me hit my dance real quick. I'm hitting the wall. I'm hitting the wall.
I'm Coyote Peterson, and I'm about to enter the sting zone with the Tarantula Hawk.
Go for it.
1, 2, here we go. 3.
Yo, bro, are you lost? You lost, bro? You lost? Bro, you lost? What? Can you talk? Bro.
Okay, so babies, stay right here, and I going over there. I'll be back in 1 minute. Let me see your toes. Can I see it? ¡De la puta madre! ¿Qué se están haciendo? ¡Eres pinche pendejo! What are you doing? You got